Oh, man.
Yeah, the top is hard to see. That looks almost like black.
It's okay.
Like black paint.
Right there.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, keep at it. Keep at it. That's nice.
Just like you see on TV.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
That's sexy, bro.
It is.
That's the shot of the night.
Nice.
Look at that.
Thank
you, sir.
Keep going. Keep going.
Steady as she goes. Steady as she goes, gentlemen.
Because it looks even. It changes. Kind
Speed it. I'll speed up in post. Oh, and there's a drone. Oh, let's go down. Let's go down. Let's get him. Coming through? Nice. There he is. Oh.
Man, dude.
Heavy descent. Heavy descent.
Hey, choke.
Heavy descent. Coming down. Coming down. Heavy descent. And hold it. Boom. That's gorgeous. Oh, my God. Just keep going up. Yep. That's beautiful. Wow. Exactly. Exactly.
And then if you can get it to go like really small and go zip somewhere else, that would be pretty cool too.
Like fly away?
Yeah.
You can see the green light from the drone right here, and
Yeah,
it's a tight angle.
I got a
if you
very-
turn your flashlights off, you'll see it.
I got a very dim light.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
It's right in
Wow. Do we got a pole for that?
I have a 16-footer.
16 is not going to cut it. We need like a 45, 50. Holy shit, and I can't get out. Luckily, I still got communication. I see it right here. I see the green light. Yeah? You see it back there? Talk to me, boys.
Give me the old two-trunk shuffle.
Yeah.
You're like,
I only got 2 minutes, but only got 2 minutes for this.
you're like rubbing the shaft on it.
Oh! And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bernie, you got me? Ah! 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 Ah!
It's moving.
Ah!
It's moving. Keep going. Moving pretty good.
Those sound effects, that's strength, bro. Have you ever been in a bodybuilding cup? Oh, I see. Wait. It moved. It moved, right?
Yeah, it's definitely not where it was.
Yeah.
Do what you're doing.
That's all light. It went to the left. Well, you know what? Fuck it.
Yeah.
Fuck the whole tree. Fuck you, motherfucking tree. Give me my... I feel like Charlie Brown with his kites.
There it is. Hold on. Go.